So today we got a question that how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, really awesome way to be true. I really love the way because you see on affiliate marketing what happens, you do not need to make any product. You do not need to even sell any product. You do not even need to take care of all the back end things that is customer support and all that. So what you need to do is that you need to take the customer to a journey that is, for example, you need to basically solve a problem. Think of it like this, that for example, if you are a person who knows something, like you can tell people that how to do fishing, okay, and they don't know anything about fishing, so you can give them value first, like how to do fishing and what are the ways that you can do fishing, and then you need to choose a conscious decision to guide them that what are the different type of fishing rods, and there are all these things are there, and you need to guide them that what is the best fishing rod that is available in the market according to that person's need. Okay, so now what you need to do is that you need to put an affiliate link onto the whole thing, and you need to take the person to the affiliate page, and then when they buy it you get a commission. It really sounds simple. Yeah, it's really simple. So the first thing is you need a product. Okay, so for that you need a product, and what you can do is that you can go on to Google, and then you need to go on to Digistore 24. I know you know all of this, you might know, but hear me out. Now here you can see that there are different options like Digistore 24 login, register now, Digistore 24 affiliate program, and you can see marketplace. Okay, ooh, Digistore 24 affiliate program, I have never seen that. So you can come into marketplace. What is this affiliate program all about? Advertise once, cash in out. Okay, cash in on autopilot. Choose from the best selling, start now, it's free. Okay, perfect for whom? Perfect for affiliates, publishers, bloggers, influencers, email list growers, and networkers. Okay, register, select a product, promote the product to your audience, earn profits. Okay, so basically they have made another section, what I'm just telling you. Simple. So right now whenever you come on to Digistore 24, you can see there are some digital products, and there are so many different niches, right? Like animals, pets, betting system, business, investment, computer, internet, dance, music, dating, love, relationship, email marketing, education, family, kids, fashion, fitness, food, games, green products, hobby, and I mean the list is endless. We're going to be choosing something like fitness and health, okay, because it's evergreen. So we can see up here that this is the ultimate keto meal plan. How much money you can make, let's understand this. A ketogenic meal plan offers that proven to make 8 figures and more. We reached number 1 on Digistore. So you can see you can make 85% commission. Think of it like this, 85% commission. Hell yeah. So you're going to be making around $26 per client. Okay, so you're going to be making $26 per client, a ketogenic meal plan. Awesome. So what you need to do, another thing is this thing, negative ion sticker. Okay, so you'll be making 70% profit, like $36. Smart blood sugar, you can see keto dessert. Okay, let's go on here, let's go on to sports also. Let's see that if we have a sports or something like that. So we can see animals and fashion, we can see hobby and handicraft. Okay, here we can see sports up here. You can see sports. Okay, so right now we are here in sports, exclusively on sports, and we can see that this is our Dartle mental training head games. Perfect. And this is pure art of English. Okay, so this is okay, and many things. So we can actually do many things just like this. Another thing that we can do is we can come into food and drinks if we want. So we can go on here, best low carb recipes in less than 10 minutes. So how much money they're paying around 1.63, 100% commission, and we can see all of it. Fat burner, and we can see affiliate earn up to 60% commissions. This is good. Okay, like $10-11. Okay, sounds pretty okay. I mean, I would not say it's really high, but it's like okayish. So you can see smooth and juicy. Now we come into the fitness and health again, and we can choose from all these things like keto dessert, keto. Okay, so people are really interested in keto, to be true. People are really interested in keto. So you can see doctor survival of book of remedies, and this is going to be working really good. So this has got 5-star reviews, and you can see some things like you can see up here, this is a 75% commission. You can earn around 24.53, that means $24 at least. So you can come into the sales page and onto the affiliate page. Let's click onto the sales page and to the affiliate support page. Okay, so we come into the sales page right now. We can see that famous doctor reveals surprising remedies to use without leaving home. Sounds really good. So this is a simple sales page that people are actually seeing. What you can do is very simple. You need to click on to promote now, and now you need to actually log in, and I'm gonna be not logging in. So after that you get a link, and what you need to do is very simple. Now you need something. What is it? And the thing that you need is you need to come onto YouTube, and after that you can see on YouTube this is a video, right? So this is a video like which has got 2.3 million views and 5 months ago. So it's a craziest, a taste of your own medicine. Okay, a taste of your own medicine, moments in sports. So this is a sports channel that they are doing, and you do not need to show your face up here. So the first thing is we got a product that we can actually now promote, but we need some traffic. For traffic, you can do two things. Number one is YouTube long video content, and the second thing is you can actually do YouTube shorts. You can use other platforms like Instagram, and you can use like TikTok if it's available in your country. You can use email marketing and all that stuff. But the easiest way I would say is to choose something just like this. Why? So you can see this video actually, let's click on here and let's go on to open a new tab. So you can see this channel itself is really amazing. Why? Because this channel is having the thing that is there are no people who are actually you can see, I mean, you do not know the owner, but what you can do is very simple. You can right now go onto here, and then you can promote this, that is doctor's book of survival remedies, and then you can actually get $24 commissions. Now let's click up here, and I'm going to be showing you the first thing, that is Daddy, the social related thing. So right now if we come in here, we can actually see another channel, and we are going to be getting into the highlight reels. So you can see that this channel has uploaded 1203 videos, got 801k subscribers, and has generated onto the last 30 days 39.5 million views, right? So let's take it as 39 million views. Okay, so let's go on to the calculator. Let's go on to calculator for us. Calculator. So it's like 39. Okay, so it's like 39 million. Okay, it's like 0. Yeah, done. Perfect. 39. And if we just think it as we are getting 1% of the people who are actually joining that thing. So if we deduct 90% of the population, so we are getting this amount. And for example, into this whole month they have accumulated this, and if we multiply it with the money that we were getting, let's assume it's $20 that they are generating. Okay, then also you can make somewhere around 78 million. I know it's a lot of money to be true. It's okay. For example, if we think that you are making like just 1% of it, just 0.1% of it, let's assume 0.1% of it, it's like 780k. right? It's like 780k, and I think it's pretty good, you can say. So what is the thing that you need to do? Very simple. Now, to make videos just like this, there are 3 steps that you need to follow. Number 1 is to make videos, number 2 is to upload the video, and number 3 is to optimize. Number 1, to make the videos, you need, either you can do it yourself or you can hire people. What are the things you required? A script writer that's going to be writing for you. You can go on to Fiverr or Upwork. And the second thing is, you can do it yourself. Even if you want, you can use a platform like Writer. I've given a link in the description. After that, you have to use some video footages, and then you need a voiceover artist also. So if you want to do it the voiceover yourself, you can do it. If you want to hire someone, you can completely do it. If you want to use something AI related, you can use Well Said Labs, Clipchamp, and other different platforms like Spichello. I have given all of the links in description. I've given the link of Spichello especially onto the description. And you can use for video editing, you can use different modes. That is, you can use you can say DaVinci Resolve, you can use you can say OpenShot. And after that, after all of these things is done, you need something. For example, you might not have time, so you can actually copy hold of the script, and then you can go on to a website known as pictory.com. Then you can actually make all of it, right? So let's understand this, that how you can actually make money with the help of this. For this, you need to get something that is really simple. That is, you need basically views. And how you can get views is very simple, is to make searchable content. How to make searchable content? You need you can say you need a app that is known as vidIQ. I've given a link in the description that will show you what is the search volume and the competition is of that keyword. So you need some keywords. Very simple, the way I just showed you right now. For example, if I need to write it as LeBron James, okay, let's write LeBron James up here. So you can see all these keywords, right? These keywords are amazing. These keywords are just amazing. Why? Because it's about LeBron James, but you do not know that what is the ranking, how much is the competition and all that. For that you need what? For that you need vidIQ. I have given a link in the description, and after that, whenever you go on to that, you need to understand this, that you need to make high search volume, low competition videos. And whenever you do that, you are going to be getting some good amount of views, because the competition is low and the search volume is high. And whenever you do that, you are going to be getting some good result. And here's the truth: if you do not have good watch time, it's not going to be of any use. Thus, I would always suggest to choose a professional editor if you have money, and let them do the work so that you get high retention. High retention means it's gonna be actually I know at some point you might think like you're gonna be spending like $30 to $50 on a video editor, but trust me on this, it's gonna be totally worth it, because you are gonna be getting all the returns. You're gonna be getting all the returns. And you can make videos like LeBron James highlights, memes, best plays, multiverses. You can see Drew League, build 2K23, interview, dunk song, and 1 hour and the shop, basically many things. So for example, if we go on to interview, okay, just write interview, okay, and after that, okay, it's not interview, here is the interview. And then we click this, and you can see that you get many more results, like interview with barbershop, about Bronny 2022 high school, the shop, uninterrupted 2016 finals with Guna, with Jay-Z, Dr. Smith, motivation, Boston, Kyrie, I'm him, and so many more, right? So it's not that you do not have any idea to make content. You can have hundreds and thousands of ideas basically. So whenever you do that, you can actually make money with the help of affiliate marketing, because you're having traffic. You push that traffic, that means some real great traffic. You push that traffic, and then whenever they purchase, they are going to be making money. Now, this was the easy version. If you want to know that what is the right way, and if you want to learn from a millionaire and you do not want to spend like hundreds and thousands of dollars on a course, I have given a link in the description that can help you up. Not just that, you can say different opportunities that actually suits you, that suits your needs, that you love doing. And whenever you understand that, I would say that it's totally worth it. Why? Because whenever you learn the things that you enjoy doing, you're going to be doing it forever, and you do not have to think about the consistency and how to do things up. So this is the thing that you can actually learn, and after that you can actually get some great results, and you will be doing good in affiliate marketing. And that is how you make money on the how this is how you actually make money online with affiliate marketing.